Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make burger dogs. These delightful creations take your favorite burger patty and nestle it into a soft hot dog bun, offering a fun and convenient way to enjoy a classic. It's a simple concept that opens up a world of topping possibilities, making mealtime exciting and easy for everyone. Let's dive into how you can create these tasty treats at home. To get started, you'll need about 1 pound of ground meat, such as beef, turkey, or a plant-based alternative. Grab 4 hot dog buns, which are perfect for holding your elongated patties. Don't forget your favorite cheese like cheddar or American, and an array of toppings such as crisp lettuce, sliced tomatoes, onions, and your preferred condiments. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth. Cooking burger dogs is straightforward. You can grill your patties for about 3 to 4 minutes per side, or pan-fry them over medium heat until they reach your desired doneness. Ensure the internal temperature is safe for consumption. For an extra touch, lightly toast your hot dog buns on the grill or in a pan. This adds a lovely texture and prevents them from getting soggy. Now for the best part, assembly. Carefully place a cooked, elongated patty into each toasted hot dog bun. Immediately add a slice of cheese on top of the warm patty, allowing it to melt beautifully. Then, pile on your favorite toppings and a generous drizzle of condiments. Serve your burger dogs right away and enjoy this delicious, easy-to-eat meal that's sure to be a hit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.